We are working with Dinefwr on the story of Arthur sleeping in the cave, and we have been developing a piece to tell this story with music. The students are playing harp and fiddle and drum, and they're singing, they're composing their own tunes, and they're devising their own piece, a unique telling and reimagining of this ancient story, and we will perform it on the castle fields under Dinefwr Castle as the beginning of the festival, of Beyond the Border Storytelling Festival.
Mae cerddoriaeth yn gyd yn dod o'r y plant yma sy'n cymryd rhan. Mae sgiliau cerddorol gyda nhw beth bynnag. Mae Jonah yn chwarae piano, but now the harp as well. And oedd angen arna ni am cerddoriaeth am y rhyfelwyr. Ac yn syth, wedodd Jonah, ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. A nath nhw ffindio geiriau, so ni gyd yn canu fe, a wedodd Jonah, I think we need harmony parts. Do you remember you said we could do it in two? So we've got a harmony on there as well. This has all come from them. Dyna beth sy'n mor cyffrous. Ond lle, piaw! Sleeping warriors frozen in time.
Well, usually I'm just a piano player, but the first meeting we held, Stacey just invited me to have a go at the harp, and it's quite fun.
It's making me more confident around other people because they're doing it as well, and I'm getting used to it.
I just like having fun and like being able to express like my writing and stuff, because I don't usually get a chance to do that. The feeling of home makes it feel like you're intruding. The shimmer of light bouncing off the warriors' armours and shields.
So, Jack, so when you hear, do that line again, Tia.
The shimmer of light bouncing off the warriors' armours and shields. You love that.
Beautiful.